honorable members of NetCare team, chairperson Dr. Ajanta Raj, member Dr. Rajendra Kankaria sir, myself Dr. Saroj.
सर कॉफी अभी रहने दो।
आप सभी का हमारे महाविद्यालय में हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। अब आपकी सहमति से मैं पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से हमारे महाविद्यालय का संक्षिप्त परिचय कराना चाहती हूँ। Our institution, Government Vivekanand PG College, named after the famous social reformer and spiritual leader Swami Vivekanand, was established in July 1973. The college is permanently affiliated to the Sant Gahira Guru University, Sarguja, Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh. Located at the foothill of Siddha Baba Pahadi with a mesmerizing panoramic view, college offers full education in the faculties of humanities, science and commerce at both graduate and postgraduate levels. The college is approximately 7 kilometers away from the state border of Madhya Pradesh. Therefore, the students from the neighboring state are also benefited. Our is the only government college in the rural town of Manindragarh with well-defined motive of rural youth empowerment through quality education. The neighborhood, villages and local community naturally felt the need of the college imparting higher education for their coming generation. Village areas, thus providing quality education to underprivileged classes. And the motto of our college is Uttishth Jagrat Prani Bodhak, which means to awake, arise, and mission of college. Our institution regards its mission and objectives as an integral part of development of the students, along with emphasis on value education, upliftment of rural masses through quality education, to empower the socially, economically and educationally marginalized section of the rural society, providing the value-based education and uniting young minds to bring out the best in them, making the students competent in the global scenario to make them self-reliant, ensuring inculcation of high standard of morality and discipline among students, to increase the students' employability in job markets as well as in self-employment if they desire, to encourage all-round development of student co-curricular activities, to promote social awareness, to promote national integration, human rights, universal brotherhood and community development activities through inclusive practices. Objectives of the college: to provide quality education and overall development of the persona at low cost, to uplift the standard of higher education among the youth of socio-economically backward classes of the region, to instill scientific temper, latest technological development, ethics, discipline, moral, cultural and social values to serve the nation, to provide conducive environment to the students for their creativity, skill and hidden talents, to motivate and guide the students, take part in extracurricular activities for their overall development, to orient the students towards their social responsibility is the citizen of the country, through extra curricular play forms like NSS department, association and sports, etc. Exactly. टीचिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स में हमारे यहाँ आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स और साइंस संचालित हैं, जो आप पीपीटी में देख रहे हैं. कोर्सेज ऑफर्ड अंडर ग्रेजुएट. नेक्स्ट कोर्सेज अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट. अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज में बीकॉम, बीए, बीएससी, बीकॉम, नेक्स्ट बीसीए और बीएससी. और जो कोर्स संचालित हैं वो आपको सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग कोर्सेज पीजी लेवल पे, पीजी बीसीए 1 ईयर प्रोग्राम, ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम है सर मैडम. नेक्स्ट कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन पीजी बीसीए. नेक्स्ट है एकेडमिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं सर कि बीएससी में बॉटनी, केमिस्ट्री और जियोलॉजी ये विषय हैं हमारे यहाँ, जिसके कि ये ग्रुप्स बनते हैं. और मैथमेटिक्स में भी है, फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री, जियोलॉजी. उसमें सीपीजी, सीजेड जो बॉटनी वाला ग्रुप है, बायो ग्रुप, उसमें सीबीजेड, सीजेड जी, सीबीजेड. और मैथमेटिक्स में है पीसीएम और सीपीजी.
So you are made two groups, na? Botany, chemistry, zoology, geology. Any 3 subjects they can offer. Am I right?
जी.
And then second, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and geology. Any 3 subjects they can offer.
जी.
Is it in English medium?
English
or Hindi
language,
medium?
Hindi
One
language.
minute, one minute. You listen. Is it in English medium or Hindi medium?
हिंदी मीडियम.
Hindi medium. Yes. No English medium for this subjects. Chemistry, which is all in Hindi medium. Go ahead.
इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हिंदी लैंग्वेज, फाउंडेशन, इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस कंपलसरी सब्जेक्ट है. बीएससी जो है में ये संचालित है. बीए में जो है एनी 3 सब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम हिंदी लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर और सोशियोलॉजी, इकोनॉमिक्स. और होम साइंस या पॉलिटिकल साइंस 2 में से सभी सब्जेक्ट हैं, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, एनवायरमेंट साइंस. और फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर जो है इसमें हमको लेने होते हैं. पहले और दूसरे वर्ष में 3 अनिवार्य समूह हैं. प्रत्येक समूह में 2 पेपर होते हैं. तीसरे वर्ष में 2 अनिवार्य समूह होते हैं और प्रत्येक में 2 पेपर होते हैं. वैकल्पिक समूह में 4 सेक्शन होते हैं, जिसमें से प्रत्येक में 2 पेपर होते हैं. और छात्र जो हैं 2 पेपर वाले किसी भी उप समूह का विकल्प जो है उसमें चुन सकते हैं. BCA नेक्स्ट एकेडमिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बता रही थी. एंड ये हो
What
गया
about BCA? Medium is again Hindi for BCA also.
BCA.
Medium?
Medium.
Medium is Hindi. Sorry, Hindi. In BCA also.
BCA also. BCA.
Okay.
मीडियम तो सभी का हिंदी है.
Okay. Good.
Curriculum enrichment. Next slide. Curriculum is reviewed annually by Board of Studies of Sant Gaira Guru University. Curriculum is updated regularly to cater to the requirements of the stakeholders. Next. New programs introduced 2016 to 2021, PG, DCA and BC started in. Syllabi under choice-based credit system to promote research work. Research methodology has been introduced as other supportive course in first semester. In second semester, social outreach and skill development, exposure to students through social outreach, and 1 out of 7 skill development components, that is computer hardware and mobile networking, medicinal plant cultivation, mushroom cultivation, functional Hindi, spoken English, tourism and tele.
Okay, madam.
Third semester, intellectual property right and environment basics. Fourth semester, digitization has been uniformly introduced. Provision for interdisciplinary elective
And there's one more. Basically, we talk about the question fact.
Comprises short answer type, short essay type and long essay type of 14%, 26% and 60% marks respectively. Next, faculty strength. Regular teacher, जो assistant professor,
Now tell the faculty of this
Professor.
current year only.
जी, जो पोस्ट सेंक्शनड है प्रोफेसर की 04 और पोस्ट जो SSR सबमिशन टाइम जो था उस समय हमारे यहाँ पे ये 0 थी और असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर 22 जो है वो सेक्शन पोस्ट है और SSR सबमिशन टाइम में 9
Only just actual post बोलो. आज कितने?
आज सर
How many there?
17 जी आज पूरी फुलफिल है 22 जो है वो अगेंस्ट प्रोफेसर उसमें असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एंड जो जन भागीदारी से है 7 फैकल्टीज पॉसेस PhD degree as highest qualification. 9 faculties have completed orientation and refresher course. 3 faculties are involved in research work. 2 faculties are invited as resource person in workshops, seminar, conferences organized by external academic agencies. Teachers are senior, experienced, PhD commissioned. Facilities on the campus: central library, InfluidNet and list facility, computer lab, sports, canteen, gymnasium, NSS, Red Ribbon Club, welfare schemes. Next, grievance redressal cell, vehicle parking for both staff and students, Youth Red Cross Society. Next slide. Parent teacher cell, career guidance and counseling cell, alumni association, garden. Next, women security cell, filtered drinking water, smart classroom, internet and Wi-Fi facility, help desk. Free health checkup, self-defense classes, yoga training camp, NSS, 7 days camp, welfare schemes. Free shifts for needy students, library facilities, including Enlist in FlipNet, computer lab with internet facilities, personal counseling, food nutrition and health counseling facilities, mentoring program, gymnasium facilities, workshop training programs, alumni association, parent teacher association, college festival. Now this evaluation system, UG level
Still there is annual
annually
exam.
examination.
Still there is annual
Yes.
exam. Or you
Annual exam.
no semester.
No.
I'm not seeing
In-
this.
Conducted by the university.
Yearly
That is
system
only
is-
for post grad. 4 semesters.
Unit test, quarterly exam and half yearly exams are conducted. PG level में the college is following semester system and choice based credit system at PG level since 2015 and 16. There is a provision of internal assessment 20% through unit tests, seminars and assignments, and in CBCS 30% through the similar scheme. Project work has been mandatory and it has been included as obligatory in all the PG courses. Feedback system from feedback from students, suggestions from parents and alumni, suggestions from external expert during lecture, seminar, analyzed by committee और faculty department. जो हम फीडबैक के माध्यम से स्टूडेंट्स से जो सजेशन आ रहे हैं वो कमेटी के माध्यम स्टूडेंट्स एनरोलमेंट admission brochure uploaded on the college website. Admission process online application is accepted at entry level at every session, and then the respective committees accept the application forms manually according to the university merit list. Next. Selection list prepared on merit basis at a state level, department wise for PG. Okay, next slide please.
The usual process.
36.
So here is a not
get
position like that, sanction sheets and admitted seats are,
जी, so sir,
so
जी, ये courses
So,
name
first come
of the
first.
boys and girls ratio in 2016-17 to 2021.
so always girls
So
are more.
girls always
That's good.
This is very positive. Very good. That's positive.
and next है performance of the students. BA final year, BCom final year और BSc final year की आप ये 2016-17 to 2020-21 ये MSc केमिस्ट्री परफॉर्मेंस केमिस्ट्री की और M.Com की.
What do you mean by performance here? Appeared and passed. That's all.
Or
Performance generally first, I mean
First
distinction, first class, second class. That
Sir,
is
we
not
have the merit
performance.
list
Okay.
on the next slide.
This is okay.
फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, फिर एकेडमिक सपोर्ट, रेमेडियल क्लासेस, एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर एंड ट्यूटोरियल, एडिशनल बुक्स, लाइब्रेरी फैसिलिटीज एंड इंडिविजुअल फैकल्टी सपोर्ट. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड 46 नंबर. रिकॉग्निशन, प्राइजेस, अवार्ड्स, स्पेशल अटेंशन एंड cordial behavior. Provision of ramp has been made in the building and special attention to differently abled student. Teaching learning process. Planning. Academic calendar हमारे यहाँ जो बनता है उसमें डिटेल्स ऑफ एकेडमिक एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज,
That's okay. Go ahead. Also okay.
timetable of classes, central and departmental timetable, departmental plan, distribution of classes, theory and practical and syllabus, course plan, daily diary and attendance record, departmental society association, plan for next 49 number. Teaching methods employed, classroom teaching, lecture, chalk and board, interaction, discussion, chart and model and audio visual aids. Laboratories, protocol explanation, and participatory learning facilities for holistic development. National Service Scheme, Sports and Games, Youth Red Cross Society, Cultural Committee, Students Union. Participatory learning programs, 52 slide. Organizing seminar, conferences, workshop, faculty program and extracurricular lecture, National Science Day celebration, personality development program, social national service program. 53 number. Promotion of research activities are monitored and promoted by the research committee. अभी 3 फैकल्टी हमारे यहाँ पे PhD कर रही हैं जी. Under RUSA preparatory grant of rupees 0.50 lakhs has been released to this college.
Which year?
That was in sir 15-16.
50,000?
15-16 it was released.
जी.
RUSA. 15-16.
Yes.
And you utilize it.
0.50 lakh means
50,000.
50,000 only.
Yes.
कॉलेजेस को तो कुछ देते नहीं, उनको तो भी मिला है. यूनिवर्सिटी को देते करोड़ में.
55
Okay.
slide number. कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, नेचर ऑफ सर्विस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो आपको यहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं। यूनिवर्सिटी वर्क में एग्जामिनेशन, इंक्वायरीज, इंस्पेक्शन एंड अदर्स। तो बिलासपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, पंडित रविशंकर सरगुजा एंड अदर
This is not for industries or like that, and you are giving you are expert in accountancy, you are expert in audit, your expertise is used by them, then that is called consultancy.
In view of
You
that,
cannot be doing examination work.
रिक्रूटमेंट
training.
एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन, सीजी व्यापम वगैरह के
Okay,
जो
but
भी
now consultancy is also not expected by UG colleges. For teaching is required.
responsibility being a teacher, we have to perform.
Your expertise is to be used.
ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में सर इलेक्शन ड्यूटी, टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, ये
That is not an
भी मास्टर
expertise.
Part of
तो हर कॉलेज के रहते हैं, तो that is not expertise. Expertise you have some unique, and that you are getting.
साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलिंग,
That is must now.
faculty member,
Mentor system is there.
स्टूडेंट्स एंड लोकल रेसिडेंट्स, लीगल कंसल्टेंसी फैकल्टी, स्टूडेंट्स एंड कॉमन पीपल के लिए, कोलेबरेशंस। नेक्स्ट लाइन 56 नंबर, कॉमन collaborations. The college organize various activities in collaboration with different agency. Public Service Commission recruitment exam for various posts. पहले 16 में पंडित सुंदर लाल शर्मा में डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन।
In collaboration, it is expected from both the sides. It is not one-sided.
सर इसी स्लाइड में म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के साथ हम लोग का MOU हुआ है फॉर वर्मी कंपोस्ट। 4.57 number. Library is a learning resource. Central library of the college comprises a large number of the textbooks, reference books, e-learning, reading room, facility of e-books and e-journals through a list of influence.
Go ahead. Fast.
Students mentoring and support. Students are mentors and counseled by the faculty members. Remedial class, seminar, preparation of assignment, project work, report, preparation, poster, model and live exhibition, village extension program, departmental activities.
Go ahead.
59. The students are
That's
support
okay.
our webinar सर जो कोविड-19 के दौरान हम लोगों ने
Online किया,
online,
काफी सारे हो गए।
वो बहुत सारे थे 10-11 की
Yes.
संख्या में।
Go ahead.
Next,
Student
student
council.
council.
Okay, fine.
Next,
Leadership. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
ये 80 नंबर है डिपार्टमेंट
Yes.
ऑफ
Go ahead.
प्रपोज
Propose plans.
जी।
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Welfare scheme you are giving. Go ahead.
नेक्स्ट
You have not received any grant from UGC
ये
last 5 years?
फ्लो चार्ट है, इम्प्लीमेंट हम इस तरह से क्रियान्वित करते हैं। नेक्स्ट,
Next, please.
फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज,
Okay. Any
Next.
grants from government in last 5 years? No, except the
अतिरिक्त आवंटन के नाम से जो पैसा मिलता है सर,
MP and MLA fund.
नहीं वो मिला है आपको?
मिला है क्या कुछ?
अतिरिक्त आवंटन गवर्नमेंट से मिला है।
नहीं, MP ने दिया है
MP ने दिया है,
जो ये होता
पहले
है
दिया था वो, ये कुछ रूम जो सामने कैंटीन बना है वो MP
MP fund में से बना है.
फंड से
But that was in before 14 or in these 5 years. Before 14 years. Okay. Okay. Fine.
और ये जन भागीदारी से आगे के चार
Go with the IPS. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस।
That were noticed. Good. Go ahead. What is your plan? Constitution of classrooms.
Construction of classrooms and laboratories. Laboratories on the second floor. Construction of boundary wall. क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ कोर्सेज और चालू करने का प्लान बना रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हमको आवश्यकता
They have
है।
put a budget, how much budget is required and who is going to provide. That planning should be there in the future plan.
ये गवर्नमेंट
गवर्नमेंट कैसा देगी? ना थोड़ी देती है। वो तो बहुत लिमिटेड देती है, तो बाकी का प्रोविजन आपको करना होगा।
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में
नहीं, ये गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज है, बिल्डिंग गवर्नमेंट की है।
You are
Through
getting that
SAT
collaboration with the
job
industries, from the
oriented
industries you have
practitioner
to. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि गवर्नमेंट का होता है तो गवर्नमेंट का ही लेना चाहिए, तो अदर ऑल्सो यू कैन इंक्लूड विद द परमिशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। इंडस्ट्री से ले सकते हैं अंडर CSR
We are trying to sir get
course
only
trying.
हम उसको कलेक्टर से DMF फंड से कुछ पैसा लेने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, सर उनसे मिल रहे हैं।
Courses under Skill India campaign, collaboration with various institution and industries for academic and research work to increase the employability of students. Creation of ICTC enabled class class rooms, strengthening of internal assessment process and increasing of accuracy.
Okay, just
Install. आशा करती हूँ
Thank you.
कि आपको मेरे बताई गई जानकारी जो है
Fine.
PPT के माध्यम से
Now it is a meeting and interaction